question number 3. Once you observe the question over here. So, what is the question over here? 2 by root x plus 3 by root y is equal to 2. This is one linear equations. And 4 by root x minus 9 by root y is equal to minus 1. This is another linear equation. These two linear equations we have to solve. That means what? We have to find the values of x and y. Okay. Now I am going to start the solution over here. All of you observe over here. Given linear equations. Given linear equations. This one I am going to write 2 by root x plus 3 by root y is equal to 2. This one equation number 1 I am going to take, and one more 4 by root x minus 9 by root y is equal to minus 1. Equation number 2 I am going to take. What we have to do? Now to find the value of x is equal to question mark and y is equal to question mark. After writing this step, what we have to do? We have to rewrite the given equations. Rewrite the given equations. So how can I write? I am writing here once you observe. So 2 into 1 by root x plus 3 into 1 by root y is equal to 2. This one equation number 1a I am writing, and one more is what? 4 into 1 by root x minus 9 into 1 by root y is equal to minus 1. Equation number 2a. After writing these two, instead of in equation number 1a and equation number 2a, once you observe, when we are observing here 1 by root x is there, here also 1 by root x is there, here 1 by root y is there, here also 1 by root y is there. Instead of 1 by root x, I am going to take some value a. Instead of 1 by root y, I am going to take one value b. Now see here all of you. Let 1 by root x is equal to a and 1 by root y is equal to b. That means what? These two values I am going to substitute in 1a and 2a equations. 2, 1 by root x means a I am writing plus 3 into 1 by root y means b. 3b is equal to, what is the value? 2 over here. This one I am going to take equation number 3 I am taking. After that 2a. How can I write 2a over here? 4 into a minus 9 into b is equal to minus 1. Equation number 4. In these two equations, so we have to solve this one. How can we solve over here? We have to see the coefficients of a or b. Here the coefficients of b is having one minus symbol, one plus symbol. That's why we can add directly by multiplying 3 to equation number 3, because these coefficients must be same. That's why what I am going to do over here, 3 into equation number 3 plus equation number 4. So 3 into equation number 3. 3 2s are 6a plus 3 3s are 9b is equal to 3 2s are 6. We got this one, and one more equation number 4 as it is I am going to write 4a minus 9b is equal to minus 1. These two, what should we do? We have to do addition. When we are doing addition, here plus 9b minus 9b gets cancelled directly. After that, what we have to do? 6a plus 4a. 6a plus 4a means 10a is equal to 6 minus 1. Here minus 1 is there. Plus 6 to minus 1. 1 minus 1 plus means what should we do? We have to do subtraction. 6 minus 1, 5 we got. So the value of 10a is equal to 5. This one I am going to turn up into a is equal to 5 by 10. So 5 ones are, 5 twos are. So the value of a is what here? 1 by 2. After getting the value a, substitute this a value in equation number 3 or equation number 4. Now I am going to substitute the value a in equation number 3. Substitute a is equal to 1 by 2 in equation number 3. So what is equation number 3? 2 into, what is a value? 1 by 2 plus 3b is equal to 2. 2 ones are cancellation, 1 ones are 1 plus 3b is equal to 2. So this 1 I am going to take it to RHS side. So 3b is equal to, what will happen here? 3b is equal to 2 minus 1. 2 minus 1, what will get? So 3b is equal to 1 is implies this here only I am going to write b is equal to 1 by 3, because between 3 and b into symbol is there. When we take to RHS side it will be division. So we got the value of a is 1 by 2 and the value of b is 1 by 3. After getting a value and b value, we have to substitute these two values in 1 by root x is equal to a and 1 by root y is equal to b. So now you observe over here. Substitute a is equal to 1 by 2 and b is equal to 1 by 3 in 1 by root x is equal to a and 1 by root y is equal to b. Now take this one. 1 by root x is equal to a value is what? 1 by 2. 1 by 2. Between two fractions equal to symbol means what should we do? We have to do cross multiplication. Now I am going to do cross multiplication over here. So root x into 1, root x is equal to 2 into 1, 2. So here square root is there, that's why I am going to do squaring on both sides. So squaring on both sides. When we are doing square root, root x whole square is equal to 2 square. It will be, is implies square root gets cancellation, x is equal to 2 to the 4. We got the value of x is what here? 4. Like that I am going to take this one. 1 by root y is equal to b value. B value I am going to substitute 1 by 3 over here. So between two fractions equal to symbol means what should we do? Cross multiplication. Root y into 1. Root y is equal to 1 into 3. 3. So again square root is there. That's why what I am going to do? Squaring on both sides. So squaring on both sides means what should we do? Root y whole square is equal to 3 square. So it implies square root gets cancellation, y is equal to 3 3s are 9. We got the value what? 9. Therefore the value of x is equal to 4 and value of y is equal to 9. So how did we get this one? By solving the given two linear equations. Now one more sum is what here? 1 3 over. I am going to explain question number 5.